Yeah, hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So TSLA gap up today. So we have another gap potential play. Did not get to the next key level higher, which is, what is the, oops, did not mean to move those levels. Hold on one second. Did not mean to grab those. Okay, just have to verify that the correct levels are still there. Do not want to give you any incorrect information. Sorry about that brief pause. Next level up. So if we start trading above 950, watching 978.43, you'll have some minor resistance right at the prior high. Oh, I did move it. Sorry about that. There we go. At 968.85. So that's your first key level that you'll be watching, 968.85. Then 978.43, then 10. Don't ignore 1,000, but if there's not a lot of selling pressure, then it'll go through rather quickly, and our major cluster is 1,050. Now, if it pulls back, because this did trigger on the 4-hour, you can see higher high, slightly lower high, so we do have a divergence, so we are running out of momentum slightly. Let me zoom in here again. So if we start dropping below 920, 920 is the first key level of support, then we'll start watching for the gap fill. There will be some support coming in at 900, this little shelf, and then we'll start watching the full gap fill and the major support down right around 885. So those are the key levels to the downside if this divergence does take hold. Switch over to the daily chart. Daily chart, your daily rotation zone, also about 895. So 895 is a very key support on any pullback. 895 is a number we will be focused on. If something catastrophic more so came out, then the next level down would be about 850. Those are all your key levels we're watching, plus the levels to the upside. Not much else to do besides wait for the directional trade tomorrow to the upside, then target those upside levels. If we start moving lower, start watching for that gap fill. That's what we have for you, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.